the reserve list works. The reserve list works automatically until the close of the bookings date, i.e. when it disappears from the course list on the website. When a space becomes available due to someone cancelling their place, if you've added yourself onto the reserve list, you will get an email to advise that a space is available. But this does not guarantee your place until you actually book it. This is how you add yourself to the reserve list of a course. You have to book this place from your My Course bookings, not by trying to book a place in the normal way, as this space is only allocated to people who have added themselves to the reserve list. If you try and book the normal way, it will not work. And you'll see here, this is how you access your reserve list. I'm now logged on as somebody else, David Horton, and I'm going to now show you how you add yourself to the reserve list. And you can see that in fact this course now is fully booked and reserve list available. So to put myself on that reserve list, I just click here and click on Add Me to the Reserve List. And I say OK. Notice now that in my courses, this course is listed in the reserve list, and we'll come back to this a bit later. When someone cancels a place on a course and you are on the reserve list, you'll get an email like this one here, and all you need to do to actually book the place is click on the link, noting that in fact you have to book the course via the reserve list and not do a new booking. This just merely takes you to the course here, so you click here. You can also log into the website and go to the reserve list as it explains down here. Clicking on here, you'll see now we've got book this course as an available option. So to book it, all you do is click here. You can then select your role and book the course. And you're now on this course, and as you can see, this is now changed to a request for that booking. I hope you found this short video helpful, and please do check out the others in this series. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel too, and click the bell notification icon so you're notified the next time the Diocese uploads a new video. Take care and God bless.